Hey, what's up? What's happening? What's going on? Wagwan and hola. I am Tiffany and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hey. If you're not, what's up? Alright, y'all. So, as you can see, I'm drippy. I just washed my hair. My eye is a little bit red right here. So, yeah, I just washed my hair because I am a natural girl. So in the summertime, I wear my hair in its natural curly state because what's the point of straightening it if it's just gonna frizz up and do the most? So in the summertime, my hair is naturally curly. It's September 18th and the weather has finally cooled down a bit. So now it's about in the 70s, like mid 70s, high 70s. And I'm like, okay, I'm slick tired of dealing with my natural hair at this point and I'm ready to straighten it out. So 6 months out the year, my hair is naturally curly because it's hot. And then the other 6 months, my hair is straight because it's cool. Today, I washed my hair. I am about to let it air dry while I go run some errands. And then I'm going to come back and hopefully it's dry by then. And then I will be flat ironing my hair out. Okay, baby. So that is on the agenda for today. So if you want to see me go from this to this, stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so I am back with my hair completely dried and this is what we are looking like right now. Yes, it is a lot of hair. Okay, so I'm about to get ready to start flat ironing my hair. I'm going to start in 4 sections. So 1 section, 2 section, 3, and 4. And the products that I'm going to be using are Biosilk Silk Therapy. And this is just a serum. So the 2 other serums that I'm using are by Giovanni. They are Super Potion Hair Oil Serum. And this is what it looks like. The green top is avocado and olive oil, and the purple top is a blackberry and coconut. And the blackberry and coconut smells really good. But yes, these 2. And then I'm going to be using another product by Giovanni. It's a flat iron styling mist. And then last but not least, I'm going to be using my coconut oil. Extra virgin, unrefined, organic coconut oil. As far as tools, I'm going to be using Baby Bliss Nano Titanium Flat Iron. This is my handy dandy flat iron. It is old and kind of crusty and rusty, but it does what it needs to do, okay? So I'm using that. I'm going to be using this brush to go down the length of the hair to smooth it out and straighten it out as a flat iron does its job. Then I'll be using 2 rat tail combs. This one and then this one is just for a more precise part. And I might use my big wide tooth comb. This is the comb I use when I wash my hair and I'm detangling. I might not need to use this. I'm be using these clips, well, about 4 more of these to section off my hair, and a couple of these butterfly clips as well to section off my hair. And that's pretty much it. I don't like to use a lot of product because I don't want a whole bunch of buildup on my hair when it is straight. So when it's curly, put all kind of stuff in there, gel, leave-in conditioner, all kind of stuff. But when it's straight, no, we don't need all that. So let me get started because it's gonna take me a minute. Cause baby, do y'all see this? Look, oh my god, like what? Whew, child. Okay, let me get started. Let me plug this up. That's why I should have had this plugged up already, pre-hand. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Let's get it. All right, y'all. So it is 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. I started my hair like 4:10, and it's 7 o'clock, and I've completed the whole back and the whole right side. I just need to finish left quadrant right here. But I need to get something to eat. I'm really fiending for some Jamaican food, some oxtails, some curry goat, all that. So I am about to go to the Jamaican restaurant real quick. Get me some food before they close. I don't want the little scraps on the bottom of the pot. So I need to go before they close. And then I'm going to come back and finish this side of my hair right here. But this is what we looking like right now. Alright, y'all, so I'm back from getting food. So let's finish this last section, okay? Alright, so take this down. This is what we're looking like. Okay, so yes. Alright, so I'm gonna take my rat tail comb. And I already put the serum on it. If you can see, it's pretty shiny. And I've really been using this. And I haven't even used that much. You can see it's like literally right there. So now I'm just going to part this in flat iron. Like, that's it. So the part like this thick. Grab the little section, get your comb, gently comb it out. Grab the flat iron, start at the roots. See that sizzle? Just go all the way down. And I pretty much go through it. I passed through it about 2 times. So just go through it one more time. Get them roots real good. Just go down. And that's it for this one. And then just keep going. Second section, I already parted it. Gently comb it. As you can see, like my roots are like super tight, and then it gets loose right here, and then it gets tight right here, and then it gets loose right here, and then it's tight on the end. It's really weird. But anyway, it is what it is. Just comb that out. Pull it. And flatten it. And I'm just going to do the same process to this whole section. This one's a little tighter, so I'm going to use the brush. Damn. I'm on my last little section. Hey. Okay. So I'm gonna split this up into 2 though. And I have my fan going in the background because it has gotten really hot in here, so that's what you hear in the background. But yeah, so. And the last one for real. Here. This. I'm done. I have this part like tied up, so that's why I have like a little, let me get it. Hold up. Let me get it. Okay. I'm done. So let me show you what we got going on here. It's 9:45 p.m. and I'm finally done, y'all. Oh, let me close this up. This is what my hair looks like right now. It's past my breast, just down. Hold on now. Wait a minute now. So let me show you the back of this hair, baby. Okay. So, well, this is the side. And the back is this. That air from the fan feels so good on my scalp. Oh my god. But yes, this is it. Hair, it's pretty long. It's like at the top of my butt crack. And yes, I hope y'all saw that. So yes, now it's time for a trim. I'm gonna do a self trim because my hair is long enough for me to see what I'm cutting. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So now for my trim, I'm just going to grab some shears. Make sure there's some hair scissors now. And my rat tail comb. And I'm just gonna do a simple trim. Like literally just cut. Okay. I normally go to the hair salon for them to trim my hair. And a couple times I went, literally all they did was what I'm about to do. Comb it. And then just cut the bottom. That's it. It wasn't no like lifting it up and doing, you know, like you be seeing the commercials. Nah. I'm like, see, I could do that at the house. So that's what I'm about to do. So basically I'm just grabbing all my hair. You can't see because my hair is all the way down here. Grabbing it, stretching it out till I get to the bottom. And then I'm just gonna cut. I'm gonna cut all of that off right there. So I did my trim. My hair is nice and healthy and everything's looking good. Okay. So, whoo, child, it's been a long day, baby. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Tell me how you loving this natural face. Okay. This natural face, this natural hair. How are you liking this natural look, baby? Anyways, comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And I'm going to see y'all next time. Later.